Hi, today let's make tasty potato, paneer and capsicum sabzi. It's very simple to make. In a pan, heat in oil. Then once the oil has heated, add in some cumin seeds and sofadita. Once it starts spluttering, add in chopped garlic. Now the garlic doesn't need to turn dark brown. Just when the flavor is infused, add in chopped onions. And once the onions turn slightly pink, add in chopped potatoes. And then what you need to do is just give it a good toss. And then season it up with some salt along with some turmeric powder. And then add in ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix all of the ingredients really very well and cover it with the lid because potato usually takes around 6 to 7 minutes. Now you'll know the potato is cooked slightly because there would be a brown covering over the potato. Now I'm adding in cubed tomatoes. Now I'm adding in colorful capsicums, like whichever color you had you can add it. I've added in red one, green and paneer cubes as well. Look at the color. I feel very good when I see colorful veggies on my plate. Next I'm adding in some basic spices like coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, amchur powder, garam masala and cumin powder. Mix all of these ingredients really very well. Toss it really very well. See to that each and every veggie is covered. Then cover it with the lid for at least 2 to 3 minutes and that's it. Garnish it up with some fresh coriander leaves and your tasty paneer, potato and capsicum sabzi is ready to serve. You can have it with hot rice, dal, naan, chapati, roti. Kids, you love it. We love it. It's very quick and simple to be done. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. As I always say, enjoy your food and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.